What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on another video. As always, if you want to continue seeing some content like this around the 300ZX, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, maybe even the bell notification if you want. And I appreciate the support I'm getting from everyone so far. It's great seeing all the comments and talking with you guys, and I'm gonna keep making videos, so I hope you guys like what you see, and yeah, just interact with me. Excuse me, sorry. Just interact with me some more. You know, I love interacting with you guys, so keep that shit up, and I appreciate it. So for today, we're gonna meet up with a buddy of mine, and we're gonna go do a little car shoot and see how that goes. I'm gonna wear the GoPro helmet mount or head mount and get some like POV style video, see if you guys like that, and I'll try to record as he's like setting up the shots. And yeah, because I'm no good at taking pictures. I've tried, and I'm not really good with messing with like the manual settings and all that. I'm sure I could get better, and I want to get better, but for now I'm gonna let guys that know what they're doing take care of it. Depending on how long he takes to get me the finished photos, whether I've already uploaded this video or not, I'll try to add those photos onto the end portion of the video so you guys can see some of the shots and how they came out. The way, bro. Bro, move. Jesus. Ridiculous, these guys, man. Yeah, son. Yeah, get that mail. Pick up them bills, boy. This isn't too high. Last time I did this, all you guys were seeing was like the sun visor and nothing else, and I felt really bad about it. I'm trying to like sit lower in the chair and like scrunch my neck because I guess I'm tall, 6'1". I didn't think this was gonna be a problem when I bought this GoPro. Oh, that's right. Stop at the gas station. So I met up with the photographer, we decided on a spot, and now we're heading there. Oh, FedEx, don't do it to me. Don't do it to me, guy. Yeah, this Ford Focus ST right here, following him. Oh, that's dope. How you want it? back end over there?
This is a nice car.
Thanks, man. These Ford STs are pretty quick, right?
It's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Nah, I had a very nice Subaru.
What made you give up the Subaru?
Money.
Do you know how far it is from here?
Right down this road.
Oh,
It's
right
really
down the
close. Yeah. About 2-3 minutes.
We're gonna see if we can get inside this one warehouse. Get some good shots in there. Might be locked, might not be locked. Might be cops there, kick us out. Might not be. Oh shit. Oh, almost dropped the keys into the abyss. That would have been bad.
Bro, this shit was locked up last time I was here. different or interesting. Because the light's coming from here. So really, like, the shots from this side are going to be super dark on this. So you won't be able to see anything. So, like, there's no light on this at all on the top.
What about I have the nose of the car face towards the outside and you from one of these cracks face in and snap a pic? Did you do that?
Yeah, I'd want to start inside, but I can definitely go outside and snap a couple.
Alright, so we're done with the photo shoot. The photo shoot was going good, and then I had a problem with my heater hose line tore apart, and I was leaking coolant everywhere. I've never replaced a heater hose line before, so that was interesting in the middle of a photo shoot. But I got that squared away. It took a little bit, but I'm heading home now. Photo shoot went great. Probably gonna get some pretty good photos out of that. Cop showed up. He was like, "What are you guys doing here?" And I was like, "Look, man, we took some photos. We were trying to leave, and then this happened to my car, and I'm waiting on a buddy to bring me apart."